sengithi mina mbona umhlobo siyathatha gijima igazi letheva sazoshukana kubona alimele athi bese bengekhona laba dala ngimalingile akufuleke njela sami
zonke phansi somcaba uchuku salinqela ngathi angiqoli ngiyavuza noma ngaphika siyavutha ngathi angiqoli ngiyavuza noma ngaphika siyavutha tata tate balimele abantwana bafuna ukungitijimisa bafuna ukungithinta bafuna ukungiluma ende ngeke bangivimba ngithanda istrata mina ngeke bangiyinda You been the one, my love. Diamond walking molly. Chinelli and wash the collie. Only we got a simplicity. Bimbo like el poli. Your ex-man looking at me funny and I got it to me. Mong I'm jelly go to my sing to bed. I'm different thing funny boo. As a song, marang nandaba. I can put you on. Wanna go nyala. Tangle in the mouth. I'm on just my London. Speaking up a share, see him at London. Baby, want me. Mas lila na mono, my kid wanting sweet. Better tell him it's more than love. This time I see. Lo lie, really super. Bigger when I wait, don't never look back. I shot it past, you told me them tech. Cause you know I want you. When you touch me, baby. Ebasi hlukanisa uthando lugcwele ngicela ubapheke izitele ozigcwele ungavumi izingene athi ngikusele uthando lakho ngeke mina ngawe ngigcwele ngiyakutshela sange bangifaka umoya ngawe ngayifela mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiyofuna amasenta uze wena nomndeni wami nibedese dala ngikufuna ngayithela manje usungowami inhliziyo ifudumele phela amaphutha ngalingasese njalo manginawe ngizizwa ngiphelele ngithi uthanda mina phela kungashintshi yangisanganisa fana nawe angekaphinda bekhona kulelizwe kukhona okuthize ngathi ngikuhlile ungenza ngibize ngithi uthanda mina phela kungashintshi yangisanganisa singanqoba nebhizi ngayihlanganisa kukhona okuthize ngathi ngikuhlile ungenza ngiphile ngithatha ungibeke ebasi hlukanisa uthando lugcwele ngicela ubapheke izitele ozigcwele ungavumi izingene athi ngikusele uthando lakho lungenza ngishelela
angicabanga wena njalo sengaba novalo oh baby lalela isikhalo awusathengi I know awuthando lami luzokula njalo uma nami ngijabula njalo without you girl I feel incomplete I'm trying to fall back, take the lead I'm trying my best, can't you see I got you when you feel no athi ngikusete Anya ilungu ithathu ngibeke beke ebasihlukanisa uthando lugcwele ngicela ubapheke izitele uzigcwele ungavumi izingene athi ngikusete athi ngikusete uthando lwakho lungenza ngishelele
dripping neon through the window pane. Your lipstick on my collar like a calling card stain. You said don't get attached, I said don't say my name. But we both knew we'd end up playing reckless again, yeah. Hands tracing heat like a loaded gun. Slow burn touch, but we're already undone. Your heartbeat talking in a dangerous tongue. And the night ain't over, it's just begun, yeah. Your breath on my neck like a match to a flame. You whisper stay quiet while you screaming my name. We're dancing on the edge of love and blame. And I wouldn't stop it even if I could. Felt it after midnight. Bodies in the low light. Shadows on the wall tell the truth we don't say in daylight. Heated like a fist fight. Kiss me like it's goodbye. This is a mistake, let it be one we make all night. Felt it after midnight. Felt it after midnight. We blur every line. We blur every line. Lose ourselves in the rush till the morning. Rewind, yeah. Nails leave stories down my spine like graffiti on a body that was once mine. Every second tastes like red wine. Do the sweet, dangerous divine. You pull me closer like you're testing fate. Say you love the chaos that we create. No safe word, no escape. Story of the mother heart that won't behave. Your breath on my neck like a match to a flame. You whisper stay quiet while you're screaming my name. And we're dancing on the edge of love and blame. And I wouldn't stop it even if I could. Falling after midnight. Bodies in the low light. Shadows on the wall tell the truth we don't say in daylight. Hit it like a fist fight. Kiss me like it's goodbye. This is a mistake, let it be one we make all night. Swirl like rain in July. Happy synchronized. World outside fades away. It's just you and I. If we crash, let it burn. Let the sheets twist and turn. We don't need forever. We just need this night to hold. Love me after midnight. Love me after midnight. Danger in your blue eyes. Oh, every touch a spark in the dark. Like a wildfire. Heated like a last chance. No room for second plans. If tomorrow comes, let it come. We don't give a damn. Love you at midnight. We blow every line. Lose ourselves in the rush till the morning. Rewind till the
You know you mean the world to me. You're like everything a man could ask for. I wear your heart next to mine, and I'ma cherish it forever. I want you to know that. Yeah.
You're the prize, you don't need no contestants. Did you cry when you fell down from heaven? In due time, I get your father's blessing. Girl, your heart's the charm and my love's the necklace. Babe, let me help you take some weight off. You got different, I see no flaws. Stuck on you and can't get off. Girl, you're gorgeous, you can't play her like no fool. If you're losing, then the joke's gon' be on you. She prove. She loves hard and she wants what's best for you. I've been scarred, but she came to hear my wound. Baby, you're honest and amazing. Can me filled in all my empty spaces. No tension, no frustration. 'Cause your love's like gold. Priceless, but worth loyalty, my love. Touching, she gon' melt for me, for sure. Cherry, cherry, lean. Your love's like gold. Flowers for your company, 24 karat. I put your on somewhere safe. 'Cause your love's like gold.
48 carats, I don't wanna share it. We've been on the incline, put in so much time, can't let it be for nothing. Your shit mine exclusively, only wanna play for keeps. When you make it rain on me, under the sheets, I feel some type of way. I've been trying to keep this private, but it's hard to be silent. You mean everything, everything to me. Don't you ever leave. 'Cause your love's like gold, baby.
Priceless, but worth loyalty, my love. Touching, she gon' melt for me, for sure. Cherry, cherry, lean. Your love's like gold. Flowers for your company, 24 karat. I put your heart somewhere safe. 'Cause your love's like gold.
Good morning, my beautiful people. As you can see, I am cooking a soup. It's winter time in South Africa, so I am preparing myself and my family a vegetable soup. It's been a long time since I've made a soup. So today I was like, you know what? It's freezing outside. It was raining this morning, so let me prepare myself a soup so that we can be warm, because if you have something warm, you'll be warm, obviously. So guys, don't look at my pot. I will wipe that pot. I know that the soup was boiling and everything fell off, and I'm doing my best, guys. I'm cooking. I'm cooking a soup, so enjoy. It's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, and I'm not even in the mode of uploading any videos at the moment. I'm enjoying my peace time, my me time. I'm spending my time with me off the camera. So guys, enjoy my kitchen. Last month bekulit bekunzima. We were hungry the whole entire month. There was no food in my house, guys. We were starving last month. So now I cook a soup just to know what fulfill my children's tummy, so they can gain some vitamins from vegetables, minerals, and all those things that they are needing to grow and have strength as kids. So enjoy this video. Please don't judge my nyama choma. My nyama that is my secret ingredient. That spice, I love it. Secret ingredient nyama choma. Guys, enjoy my video. This soup is so delicious, guys. From Indlala last month to me cooking the soup this month, I am so like, you know what? I need a damn job so I can provide for myself, not looking to be provided by somebody else. So I think I'll need to get off the couch and find me some job, man. Yeah, enjoy Cooking time. Andiqhayisi ngakutya ke guys. Stop saying ngiqhayisa ngokutya. Andiqhayisi ngakutya. I'm doing videos. There are people who love me, who want to see me, even if I'm doing something stupid or something creative or motivating. So don't judge. Unemployed woman who stay in Kailicha, who's doing her thing. Don't judge my kitchen, guys. I'm not working. When I'm working, I will re-innovate my kitchen. This is the beginning of something beautiful in the end. Keep on watching my videos. You will see at the end how my house will look from that to this. Good morning, my beautiful people. Enjoy my vlog. Stay tuned. Don't ever give up. Everyone's chilling on the morning. She's the only one. She's the only one. Kuyavukwa ekuseni. Now siyavuka John. Lezilamba zabantwana bethu ngoba nimachamba abasifuni. Ukunakekela imali yethu le silahla ngqondo. Nabancinci. Undaba amahla yakho sho. Siyazonondala. Emba kodinga nokulate 2:30. She's the only one, she's the only one. Ayincuthini kume khona ngaphandle. Uzithi ngazujama esibancinci. That's how you recycle impahla. Don't throw it away. You recycle it.
Look at my new line
Of what?
of haircut. Just
Ungathi Mandela. Yeah, guys, you need to take care of yourself as a woman. Employed, unemployed. Take care of yourself. Look cute for yourself. Even if you look like your father and your mother at the same damn time. Look good for yourself.
no,
I won't fuck you. I won't do that to my final. It's nice and thick. Bam. It tastes like herbal soup. Andishayile bafethu. Andishayile.